Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I have an awesome sneak peek for you for products coming in our new January to April mini catalog. It's coming January 7th. We're getting a new mini catalog. Look, my fingers are inky. Mini catalog celebration event is starting on the 7th. We have new scrapbooking items and we have new online exclusives. So lots of things coming. Please make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on all the great new products that we're going to be demonstrating. And make sure to join my newsletter. We're going to have information coming up on our next stamping cruise, and it's going to be great. So, okay, so today we are going to focus on the Friends of the Ocean suite. Now I can't show it to you in the catalog yet, but I am obsessed with this suite. I love it. It's got a crab, it's got a lobster, a 3 sentiments, some bubbles, and some seaweed and coral. And then it has a die set, which also cuts out both these images. It has kind of a wavy edge die cut. We have seaweed, we have coral, little starfish. And then it has this embossing folder. It's called Soft Waves. Can you see that? All the waves right there. I love this. We're not using all of these today, but we are going to be using some of them. It also has these great gems. Now, I'm obsessed with this suite. It has pink and orange together, which are one of my favorite combinations. But it has these really pretty, bright embellishments, little dots. And then look at this paper. This paper, you can't look at it and it just makes you happy. So we have this side. This is a brand new pack. I've already opened, this is my 3rd pack. And that's the maximum I can order, so I have to wait until I get more. And then the back side has a graphic design, so this could be used for a lot of different things, not necessarily sea life. Okay, that's the same one. This one, I have cut out 2 packs using all the lobsters and crabs, so we're going to use the lobsters today. Then the back side just has this pumpkin pie geometric pattern. And then look at that pattern. Look at that fun wave pattern with pink and orange. And then the other side is just kind of a little shell pattern, but it's just geometric. You could use it for anything. And then this one, love that, just sea growth. And then orange on the back. These would also be great for, this one I think looks like coral. I think that's Calypso coral for this pattern and pumpkin pie. These would work for Halloween too. Then we have starfish. And then the back of another Calypso coral with stripes, dots and stripes. And then last we have some smaller sea creatures, which it has a pufferfish, we have seahorse, squid, little shrimps, so cute. And I love the green that's in there, the lemon lime twist. And then we have some pink waves on the back of this one. Lots of patterns to just be watching. That's going to be used on a lot of stuff. Okay, so we are going to do a card today using some of the designer paper. And I've already pre-cut out all my lobsters. I'm just going to be, as soon as I get a pack, I'm just going to cut out all the lobsters and crabs because I love this set so much. We'll be using them in class. This is a project we made in our at our Hostess Tea in December. And because I just love this, and it's real simple. So I took 1x4 pieces and I used the sea growth one here, the little sea creatures right here, and then I have a piece of our In Color glimmer paper, and I used the Summer Splash, and these are 1x4. So what I'm going to do is just glue these down to our pumpkin pie card front. Try to get them centered. Let's see. Go between the 7 and 7. I have this on the metric side today. Let's see. That's not quite centered, is it? That's good. I just eyeball it. Usually I just eyeball things. It's got to be just past the 1. Does that look straight? Not super straight. That's close enough. Okay. And these two I'm just going to eyeball. I'm going to put on either side, just a little bit down, maybe 1/4 of an inch. And then this one on top. And you could absolutely switch your patterns around, use whichever papers you want to use. All right, and then I have a piece of basic white and a piece of Melon Mambo. And I'm just going to do a quick thank you card to go right here on thanks so much on the bottom. And you could, we have also love you and hello friend, which you could also use a birthday sentiment or do hello friend with birthday. This would be a super fun birthday card. All right, we are going to pop this up. I'm looking for some dimensionals. Here we go. Just do our 4. This is kind of long. I might just do a couple here to be safe. Okay, get these peeled off. This has got to be such an easy card, and you can make so many of these. So many of these very quickly. We're just going to center that, hopefully. Then we have our lobster. I always think of the rock lobster. They also have like a lobster thing from Friends. And that's it. I mean, how cute is that? I'm not even adding embellishment. I just think that is the cutest little card. We're gonna do a crab card at our bingo class, which is tomorrow night. So I've set aside, I've cut an extra set so I can show you that card. I'm gonna leave that blank because it's thank you, so I can use it for anything. I feel like that's not quite straight, but I'm gonna scooch that bottom over just a hair. There we go. Isn't that cute? Here's another one we made. It had the orange lobster. So looks super cute either way. I love this set. You'll be seeing a lot more of this because it is just so cool. All right. Thanks everybody. January 7th. I'm not even thinking straight. January 7th is when you can purchase this. I will post the information below. I can't post the links yet because they're not live, but I will post all the numbers that you need to order the supplies for this. All right. Thanks everybody, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.